Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel your order in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. That's what I trust you to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its consumers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to cancel your order in Best Buy. Now, from this homepage, you'll like to head over to this tab that says Hi Amanda. So your name could be Grace and it should be Hi Grace. So click on that drop down menu and it's going to take you right into this window that has an extended menu. It's coming right up. So we're here. So from here, you're going to have to scroll all the way down to purchases. Now, it could be purchases. It's no more orders. It's now purchases. So purchases also orders. So go ahead and click on purchases. And it's going to take you to the purchases window. So from here, let's see how we can cancel an order on this page. So if you have an order, you're going to find your order here. If you haven't had time finding the specific order that you want to cancel, you can head over to the search bar and search by product name or your order number. So this is how you can cancel your order. So once you get into that page, go ahead and click on the order that you're looking for, or that order that you want to change, the order that you want to cancel. So once you click on order, at the top of the order, you're going to find the order number. So click on the order number to see your order details. And once you do that, right there in the order details page, you're going to see the cancel button next to the item you like to cancel. Now click on the cancel button. Now you can cancel items as long as Best Buy hasn't started the shipping process. Note that. Now this is usually within 30 minutes of placing your order. Now you can see more time frames below, which are actually down here. Now if it's too late to cancel an item, you don't have anything to worry about, just go ahead and tap on the return options button next to the item that you want to cancel and follow through the process to return your item. So that's pretty much it. Remember the process. Head over to the purchases window, which is here. Select your order. And once you select your order, click on the order number you're going to find at the top of your order. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the order details page where you're going to find the cancel button. Select the cancel button and it's going to be canceled. So that's pretty much it. So you can go over here to check on the shipping, cancellation time frame, store pickup cancellation time frame, and of course the scheduled home delivery time frame. You can also have the back order cancellation time frame and a lot of other things that you need to know in the process of canceling your order. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.